Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of rational number chapter. So in my previous video we have completed two property, that is closure property and commutative property. Now we are dealing with the third property, that is associativity, that is associative property. So let us see this associative property on whole number, integers and rational number. First let us see what is exactly associative property, how it will be in a general form. It will be like, in associative property there will be three digits. Let us consider A, B, C. For addition I have taken plus, so A plus B plus C. Now how it will be like, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. So two brackets will be there in this, so that I'll show you here how we have to study this associative property. Okay. So let us consider A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5 for whole numbers. Okay. Let us consider some whole number. So I have taken 3, 4, 5. Now for a whole number, let us go for addition. I have told you how we have to write in a general form. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. So the brackets you have to notice properly how we have to write. If we get answer LHS is equals to RHS, then we can say that here both are equal and it is closed. Okay. So now let us see, A value is 3 plus B value is 4 plus C value is 5. Okay. Is equals to same thing here, A value is 3 plus B value is 4 and C value is 5. So 3 plus 4 7 plus sign as it is 5 as it is equals to 3 I will write as it is because we have to solve bracket first, plus as it is 5 plus 4 9. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 9 plus 3 is 12. We got same answer here, both are equal, both LHS is equals to RHS we got. Both are equal. Therefore, it is closed under addition. This property is closed under addition, or also we can say addition is associative. Addition is associative. So, let us see the next now, subtraction. Here subtraction you can see A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Okay, let us take, it is a bracket for associative property. We have to take like this only. So A value we have taken 3 and minus sign as it is, B value 4 and minus sign as it is, C value 5 is equals to same here, A value 3 minus B value 4 minus 5. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5 as it is equals to 3 as it is, minus sign as it is, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 6, and here minus minus plus 3 plus 1 4. Minus 6 is equal to 4? No, it's not equal to 4. This is not equal. Here both are not equal. Therefore, it is not closed under subtraction. Here one more sentence you can write, that is subtraction is not associative. What we have to write? Subtraction is not associative. Let us check the next one, multiplication. Same thing here, A into B bracket into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay, A value we have taken 3, B value 4 into sign in between as it is, into C value 5 is equals to 3 into B value 4 into C value 5. 4 3s are 12 into 5 as it is equal to 3 as it is into as it is, 5 4s are 20. 12 5s are 60 is equals to 20 3s are 60. Here both LHS and RHS are equal. Here both are equal, therefore it is closed under multiplication, or else you can write multiplication is associative. What we can write? Therefore multiplication is You can add one more sentence. Multiplication is associative. Okay. So next, now let us see division. What it works for division? Okay. Division, A divide B bracket divide C is equals to A divide B divide C. 3 divide 4 because A value 3, B value 4 and C value 5 in the beginning only we have taken. So 3 divide 4 divided by 5 is equals to 3 divide 4 divide 5. Bracket, let us solve. 3 divide 4 is 0.75 divide by 5 is equals to 3 as it is. 4 divide 5 we got 0.8. So here we can see these are not equal. If we divide 0.15 and 3.75 we get, so which is not equal, and division you have learned in your previous classes how to divide this all. So after division we get 0.15 which is not equal to 3.75. So here both are not equal, therefore it is not closed under division. So in whole number, addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, and division is not associative. Okay, let us go for integers now. So in integers, we have to consider positive as well as negative number. Consider A is equals to -6, B is equals to 5 and C is equals to 9. Okay, any three values we have considered. Addition, now we know general form A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so let us substitute the value. A value is -6, plus sign as it is, B value 5, plus sign I am writing as it is, and C value 9. Okay, we have taken now this value only, we have to substitute in this. Equal to sign as it is, A -6 plus sign as it is, inside bracket B 5 plus C 9. Okay, -6, 1 plus 1 minus. When we get 1 minus sign, 1 plus sign, we have to do always minus and we have to write greater number sign. Now 1 plus 1 minus means we have to do minus. 6 minus 5, 1. But why minus 1? Because greater number is 6 and having minus sign, so minus 1. Plus this 9 as it is equals to -6 as it is, plus 9 plus 5, 14. Okay. Plus minus you have to do minus. 9 minus 1, 8. Greater sign is 9, so plus 8 is equal to -6 plus 14. 1 plus 1 minus. Minus we have to do 14 minus 6 is 8. So LHS is equals to RHS. Both here, both are equal. Therefore it is closed under addition. Or you can also write addition is associative for integer. It is associative. Let us check for subtraction. A minus B minus C is equals to A minus bracket B minus C. A value -6, minus sign as it is, B value 5, minus sign as it is 9 is equals to A value -6 minus B value 5 and minus sign formula as it is. -6 minus 5, minus we have to do plus, so 6 plus 5 11, but minus doing plus, but sign should be minus. -9 as it is. Now this side is equals to -6 as it is, minus outside minus, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 9 minus C minus 6 as it is, minus sign as it is, 9 minus 5 is -4. I have to write here -4. Okay, -4. Now minus plus. 11 plus 9, 20. Minus doing plus, so we got 20 is equal to, I have written first, then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is nothing, but here this is not answer. 6 minus is -6 as it is, minus plus 4. 1 plus 1 minus means minus we have to do. 6 minus 4 is 2. Greater sign is minus 2. Whether minus 20 is equal to minus 2? No, it is not equal. Okay, minus 20 is not equal to minus 2. Therefore, both are not equal. So, it is not closed under subtraction. And also you can write here, subtraction is not associative. Is not associative. Why? Because we did not get same answer. So now let us check what is multiplication, and almost every time multiplication we get it is closed. Okay, a is equals to minus 6, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 9. Let us substitute in the value a into b into c. Minus 6, b value 5 into c value 9 is equals to same here a plus minus 6 you have to write into sign as it is b5 into c9. Okay, 6 5s are 30 because minus plus minus we have to write 6 5s are 30 into 9 as it is equals to minus 6 as it is 9 5s are 45. Okay, 39s are 270 because 9 3s are 27, 0 as it is minus 27. 45 6 are, if you multiply like this 45 into 6 you will get 270 because 6 5s are 30, 3 here, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. So minus 270 we will get. Both answer we got equal. Therefore here both are equal and it is closed under multiplication. You can also write multiplication is associative. You can also write multiplication is associative. Next is nothing but division, and the division is again same. A divide b divide c is equals to a divide b divide c inside a bracket. Minus 6 because a value minus 6 divide b value 5 divide c value 9 is equals to minus 6 divide 5 divide 9. A b c place we have written this value. 6 divide 5 is 1 minus 1.2 divide 9 as it is equals to minus 6 as it is divide 5 divided by 9. If you do 0.55 got. So minus 0.133 is not equal to minus 10.9. Is it equal? Both are not equal. Here both are not equal, therefore it is not closed under division. So even you can write, only if you remember, multiplication is associative and division is not associative. Okay, so till here it was about integers and whole number, but the chapter which we are learning is, and that is very important, is rational number. Now let us see associative property on rational number. We know that rational numbers are nothing but p by q form. So I have taken here a is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 7 by 5 and c is equals to 9 by 5. 3a, b, c we have taken. Let us solve now applying in associative property. We know that associative property is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c inside the bracket. So in a place 3 by 5 plus sign as it is, b place 7 by 5 plus sign as it is, c value 9 by 5 equal to as it is a again 3 by 5 plus b value 7 by 5 plus c value 9 by 5. Here what I have done, only substituted the value. Okay. Now let us check how it will be now. Denominator is same. So 5 as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. Plus 9 by 5 as it is equal to 3 by 5 as it is plus sign as it is. Denominator same. 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. Now let us check next step. Denominator is same. Again we will write denominator once. 10 plus 9, 19 is equal to denominator same. One time we will write 16 plus 3, 19. Here you can see LHS and equal to RHS. 19 by 5, 19 by 5. Both are equal. Here both are equal. Therefore it is closed under addition. So rational number addition is associative for rational number. Okay. Now let us see what about subtraction. Okay. Subtraction will take a is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 7 by 5, c is equals to 9 by 5. A what? 3 by 5. Minus sign. Subtraction. Now all minus. B 7 by 5 minus c 9 by 5 is equals to a 3 by 5 minus b 7 by 5 minus c 9 by 5. Now denominator is same. 5 as it is. 7 minus 3 minus 4. Minus sign as it is. 9 by 5 as it is. Equal to sign as it is. 3 by 5 as it is. Minus sign as it is. Denominator. Let us open the bracket. Denominator is same. 5. 7 minus 9 minus 2 because greater number is minus. Now let us see. Denominator is same. 9 minus minus plus 9 plus 4 13. But minus sign as it is equals to 3 by 5 minus minus plus 2 by 5. So minus 13 by 5, denominator is same. 3 plus 2 5 by 5. Is it equal? No, they are not equal. Here both are not equal. LHS and RHS are not equal. Therefore it is not closed under subtraction. Therefore subtraction is not associative. Let us check multiplication. Okay. Multiplication. I have considered a is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 7 by 5 and c is equals to 9 by 5. A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. 3 by 5 a place into b place 7 by 5 into c place 9 by 5 is equals to same thing. A 3 by 5 into b 7 by 5 into c 9 by 5. Okay, let us see. Into multiply means what we have to do? We have to check whether we can cancel, cross cancel. We can do no. If not, numerator we have to multiply and denominator we have to multiply. 7 3s are 21. 5 5s are 25. Into sign as it is. Bracket 9 by 5 as it is equals to this side 3 by 5 alone. So as it is. Into sign as it is. 9 7s are 63. 5 5s are 25. Okay, let us see now here. Again we cannot cancel. So 21 into 9 is 189. 25 into 5 is 125 is equal to 63 into 3. If you do like this, 63 into 3, 189 only you will get, and 25 into 5, 125. So here both answer are equal. LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore it is closed under multiplication, or you can write multiplication is associative in rational number. So we are learning a rational number, so we have to focus rational number. Now let us check the division, last part of this property. A is equals to 3 by 5, b is equals to 7 by 5 and c is equals to 9 by 5 I have written. So a divide b divide c is equals to a divide b divide c. A value is 3 by 5 divide 7 by 5, which is divide 9 by 5 is equal to a value I have taken 3 by 5 divide sign as it is, bracket as it is, b 7 by 5 divide and c 9 by 5. Okay, let us solve here. Divide becomes multiply, you know that now. 3 by 5 as it is. Divide sign becomes multiply. If you reciprocal next number, 7 by 5 become 5 by 7. Divide 9 by 5. Now 5 get cancelled. This 5 get cancelled. What is remain? 3 by 7. Divide by 9 by 5 as it is. This side also same thing. 3 by 5 we have to keep as it is. Divide we have to keep as it is. Let us solve this bracket. 7 by 5 I wrote as it is. Now this divide sign becomes multiply. We have to reciprocal this. 9 by 5 become 5 by 9. 5 get cancelled. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 9. Okay. Now again same thing, same step. 3 by 7 as it is. Divide become multiply. 9 by 5 become 5 by 9. Same thing here, is equals to 3 by 5 as it is. Divide sign becomes multiply. 7 by 9 becomes 9 by 7. So we cannot cancel anything. So 5 3s are 15, 7 9s are 63 is equals to 9 3s are 27, 7 5s are 35. 15 by 63 is equal to 25 by 35? No. 15 by 63 is not equal to 27 by 35. Therefore, here both are not equal and it is not closed under division. Therefore, division is not associative. So here we have learned three properties. We completed, that is closure property. Then second video was based on commutative property. So today we have learned about associative property. And now in my next video we'll see what is additive identity and multiplicative identity, which is very important. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.